Welcome to the short lecture on the undergraduate program BESS, Business, Economics and Social Studies at the Trinity College Dublin. The BESS program is a joint venture of the Trinity School of Business and the Trinity School of Social Sciences and Philosophy. My name is Jan Skopek and I'm the academic director of BESS. In the following, I would like to give you a brief overview of what BESS is about, what it does offer to students, what you can study in BESS, and where you can find more information on this program. BESS is one of various flagship undergraduate programs provided at the Trinity College Dublin. Trinity College Dublin is a leading Irish research university founded in 1592. Trinity College has global recognition in research and teaching excellence. Leading global university rankings have ranked Trinity at #1 consistently in Ireland and 101st in the world. What exactly is BESS? BESS is a uniquely flexible degree program offering you different degree options across the disciplines of business, economics, political science, and sociology. It provides students with a broad education while allowing them also to specialize in one or two of those disciplines along the way of the study. The disciplines of business, economics, political science, and sociology all look at the world around us, analyzing how it works and how to achieve certain ends. They do so from various angles and perspectives. For instance, business. In business, you will gain an understanding of the role of management and organization in society. In particular, you will acquire knowledge on marketing, finance and accounting, entrepreneurship, strategic management or human resources, innovation, operations, information systems, and many more. As a BESS student, you will engage with top international professors and leading business people who will challenge you and guide you into top roles within the business world. Past BESS students are now leaders in the world of business, government, entertainment, technology, innovation, and non-profit businesses. Economics. Many of the economic problems which dominate the headlines are tackled within this very discipline. Economics blends together theory, data, and statistical analysis to help understand economic problems and to make policy recommendations based on clear evidence. Economics develops the concepts and tools that enable you to understand and effectively address pressing problems of modern economies, such as how to limit or prevent unemployment, how to regulate financial markets, how to control the market power of large firms, or how to best address climate change, or how to help poorer countries to grow and develop. Politics affects us all in our daily lives. Should government tax the rich for greater equality, or should the amount of money the EU spends on agriculture be cut? Questions like these, along with the analysis of political systems and how democracy works, are the heart of the scientific study of politics. As a BESS student, you will embark on the scientific study of politics that provides deeper insights into the exercise of power and the workings of our very democratic political institutions. For example, you will learn more about how democracy works, how people vote, how political parties compete, how European integration works, what the values are behind political ideologies, and many more topics. Finally, sociology. In sociology, we study how do our societies actually work, how are they changing, and if so, who are the winners and who are the potential losers of those societal changes. In sociology, BESS students will learn about the social and societal consequences and contingencies of human behavior. As a BESS student in sociology, you will acquire a critical perspective on aspects related to social change and how it impacts on people's life. Social movements like fair trade or feminism, processes of inequality in society along lines of social class, gender, race, and ethnicity, or aspects related to the changing nature and meaning of work in the area of rapid digitalization. Moreover, students in sociology will learn the tools and methods that are available to research society and the way it's changing. What does BESS exactly offer? BESS offers an honors bachelor degree at one of the flagship programs at Trinity College Dublin. It's the only university degree in Ireland where students can combine the study of business, economics, political science, and sociology. And to my knowledge, is also one of the very few international, in an international perspective. It offers a flexible pathway program with multiple degree options across these 4 subjects. And furthermore, BESS also provides you the opportunity to study abroad at distinguished partner universities in Europe and the world. BESS allows you to pursue 10 different degree options. It equips students with broad education opportunities, allowing you to specialize and graduate with a single honors on the one hand, or a joint honors degree with another subject, or a major with a minor subject. In total, that gives you 10 different degree options. You can, for example, combine business and sociology in a major with minor, in a joint honors, or you can just pursue a political science degree in a single honors pathway. The extraordinarily high flexibility of the BESS program provides students furthermore with the opportunity to adjust their study programs in accordance with their academic results, interest, aptitudes, and emerging career aspirations. Depending on pathway choices, students can choose from a variety of 22 exit routes within the degrees of single honor, joint honor, and particularly major with minor. In the following, I give you a brief overview of what you will study in your BESS program. After then, I will go a little bit more into detail. So first of all, you will start with a grounding in all 4 subjects in the first year. In the second year, then, you will continue with those subjects that interest you most. In the last 2 years, you choose the modules that interest you in 1 or 2 subjects. In the final year, you'll also do a large independent project using the skills and knowledge you have gained over the first 3 years. Plus, there's the opportunity to study abroad in the 3rd year. Your first year, the so-called junior fresh year in BESS. In your first year as a BESS student, also called the junior fresh year, you will study all 4 subjects: business, fundamentals of organization, introduction to economics, introduction to political science, and introduction to sociology. Moreover, you will take a module on mathematics and statistics, which is very important to deal with evidence and numbers. Finally, you have some flexibility in choosing another module of your choice that relates either to language, law, or social policy. In your second year, the senior fresh, you can choose to continue with 1, 2, or even 3 subjects. For example, you take modules ranging from intermediate economics to international politics, or introduction to social theory to deepen your knowledge in sociology. You might also be able to pick modules from a list of available complementary open modules, or so-called Trinity electives. Trinity electives are standalone modules outside of BESS that allow you to study a wide array of multidisciplinary contents. Depending on your specific pathway, you may also continue with a language that you might have already studied in your first BESS year. Furthermore, in the second year, you can choose to apply for the Foundation Scholarship exam. The Foundation Scholarship is the most prestigious undergraduate award in Ireland, and awardees receive prizes and enjoy college-wide privileges. In the 3rd and the 4th year, you are increasingly specializing in 1 subject when heading towards the single honor degree, or 2 subjects when heading towards a joint honors or a major with minor degree. All BESS students will complete a capstone project in their final year. The capstone project is an independent piece of research which provides an exciting opportunity for intellectual growth in your last year, and which is also a wonderful business card for your further career step. Finally, career information and continuing education information sessions in the 4th year will help you to seek your next steps as a BESS graduate. As said before, as a BESS student, you have the opportunity to build a strong international profile. It allows you to achieve that in 2 ways. First, you have the option to study languages like French, German, Spanish, Russian, or Polish in your first year or even in your second year. And second, in your 3rd year, you have the opportunity to study abroad. Students can apply for studying at top universities either in European countries such as France, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, Austria, Belgium, or Spain, or through our global exchange programs globally at prestigious universities, for instance, in Australia, USA, Canada, China, Hong Kong, and even Japan. From a career perspective, BESS is an extremely flexible and practical degree program. BESS graduates are highly sought after by national and international employers in a range of fields such as finance and banking, politics, journalism, academia and research, management consulting, teaching, or public service, within the profit, non-profit, or public sector. So why choosing BESS at TCD? Let's sum it up a bit. BESS allows you to study at Ireland's #1 university in Ireland's #1 departments in their field. BESS allows you to look at the world around us in a variety of ways. It allows you to combine flexibility, breadth, and depth in your training. BESS also allows you to be part of a highly student-centered program that is designed for an exceptional caliber of students, that possesses a strong national and international reputation, and that produces graduates that are highly sought after in economy, business, politics, public service, NGOs, and academia. Like for other undergraduate programs, the Central Applications Office, CAO, is in charge of processing first-year applications to BESS. Therefore, as a resident, your application for admission to BESS goes through the CAO process. BESS is a select program, which is indicated by the minimum CAO points for admission in the recent years, as you can see on the slide. The number of places in each year of the BESS programs are limited to 236 students. International students may apply directly at TCD. For more information on that, please check the pages of the TCD admission office. As a BESS student, you have rich opportunities of becoming part of the overall TCD community outside of your classroom. Excellent opportunities for campus activities and making and meeting friends are provided by Trinity sport clubs or student societies. Whether you're a recreational athlete or an elite competitor, there's a club to suit everybody. You can choose from 50 sport clubs in a range of disciplines to stay fit, active, and meet people. Trinity's 120 societies allows you to meet like-minded people in almost every niche, from arts, culture, politics, and debating, up to gaming, advocacy, and music. Furthermore, the BESS program lives in good neighborhood with other programs at the Trinity College that are linked to BESS subjects. For instance, the PPES, Philosophy, Political Science, Economics, and Sociology. Business and Language, Business and Law, and Computer Science and Business. The Trinity Joint Honors, Economics and Sociology, Political Science and History, or Geography or Law, and Sociology and Social Policy. Therefore, next to the other BESS students, you will meet students from those other programs related to the BESS subjects. To find out more about BESS, please visit our website and FAQ page at tcd.ie SSP undergraduate BESS, or just send us an email at bess@tcd.ie. And finally, I hope you enjoyed this short presentation and choose BESS as your first preference. Thank you very much for your attention.